Hi friends, in this video I would be showing fingerprint settings. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to security and privacy, tap here, go down, tap on device lock, then tap on fingerprint and face unlock, tap on fingerprint, then tap on next. First we need to set screen lock. Here you can select password type, let me select numeric, tap on next, then tap on password type, select 4 digits. So let me set the password. So I'm going to set the password here 1212 1212. Try to enter strong password. Done. Then tap on add now. So next I'm going to add fingerprint. Just tap here. See. So we have to fill that. Okay, done. Then tap on done. So I don't want to add face lock. Let me cancel this. So here you can see finger 1. So now fingerprint lock is ready. Let me test. Close this. Lock the phone. Unlock. See. So here we can enter password, numeric password, or use fingerprint. Let me use fingerprint. See, it's unlocked. So this way we can add fingerprint lock. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.